Hi and welcome to this course. My name is Shahriar and I will be an instructor in this course. And let me introduce you to the most dynamic and active Lightroom course on Udemy. This course is designed while keeping in mind the best practices and also memory optimization in mind. We'll begin our course by learning and studying how to get your photos into Lightroom, how to organize them, and how to rate them and filtering. After that, we will be going over how to edit your composition, how to fix your composition, how to fix lens faults, and also some other lens problems. And at the beginning of each section, we will have an explainer about photographic concepts that we will be discussing on that section. The next sections, we will be going over how to edit colors, how to edit different color tones, how to use tone curves, and that kind of stuff. And also, we will learn different local adjustment tools in Lightroom and how to use them. What I meant by most active and dynamic is at the end of this course, we have two sections, one by the name of I edit your photos and the next one is tutorial of the month. On that sections, I will be adding one tutorial each every month to keep you guys updated and let you know about the most recent updates of Lightroom. How the tutorial of the month works is that you will be giving me ideas about tutorials or your problems, and I will be making tutorials on how to solve them and how to prevent that problems. The other section is I edit your photos. On that section, I'll be taking your photos via email or any other way, and I'll be editing them and upload the editing sessions in here in this course and also on YouTube. You can check it out at Shahriar is Alive. I hope to see you in the course and get to know you guys better and start our journey of learning Lightroom and photo editing. See you in the course. Have a nice day.